Read aloud and draw Langston Hughes. Connect. Have you practiced writing notes recently? My teach. Try this method of note-taking for ELA. Divide a blank sheet of paper in 4 equal parts. Label each box 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 will be characters. You'll draw the main character, any characters from the story. 2, setting. Draw the setting described in the story. 3, theme. Write a small, quick paragraph about the theme from the story, 2 to 4 sentences. Summarize. Retell the story as quick and short as you can, 5 sentences max. Active engagement. Now you try. Listen to this story. One Friday Morning by Langston Hughes. Or read to yourself. Click here for text for the story. While you listen, draw in boxes 1 and 2. Characters and setting. After the story is done, write in boxes 3 and 4, the theme, and then summarize. When you're done, turn in a picture of your paper into the assignment called Read Aloud and Draw Langston Hughes. When you're done submitting your picture to the assignment, please remember to read and try for 20 to 40 pages a day. And theme is usually what the main character learns, and then the author is hoping we all can learn from them. Thank you, readers.